Hey, Frizzlets. Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to get access to your email. The thing is, though, is you are only supposed to use your school email for schoolwork or school affiliated topics. The central office does monitor the back and forth of the email communication, so always make sure that you are respectful, even more respectful than if you were right in front of someone, because the written word can sometimes be misunderstood. So exhibit appropriate digital citizenships by being beyond respectful with any kind of communication that you exhibit. It is limited to only people within the Rutherford County school system. So you can't email outside of the school system anyway. Um, Whenever you go to my website, Ms. Frisbee's website, welcome to fourth grade. Okay, you will click on Student Resources and then click on Office 365. Now, that takes you to your Office suite. If you do not have Outlook right here in one of these pop ups, the quick pop ups, because I use Outlook all the time, so it's first and foremost for me there. Then you can hit all apps and all of the apps in your suite will pop up. So click on Outlook and then you will have an email from Miss Frisbee that will give you further directions. Complete the directions in that email and you will have accomplished your first email assignment. Thank you very much and good luck.